Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I don't have anything crazy, nothing too special, but I will be going over a year in review. So, stay tuned. In this video, I'll be tracking my journey throughout 2025. I'll go through my start, the middle of the year, how I ended up finishing the year. So, with all the yapping, all the talking, let's get straight into it. Alright, so as you can see up here, I'm still trading a small account. So see, it's bounced $1,800 now. I did end the year minus 170. My broker did say that I am green 150, so I think I paid 340, 320 in fees. So whatever, 150 minus 300 and whatever gives you 170. So either way, the cost of doing business this year was $170 negative. So to go a full year losing $200, that's pretty good if you ask me. So I'll kind of go through my month to month and kind of show you guys how I was doing each month, and then when I really started to see progress and see results in my trading. So you see in January we're down almost $200, 2 trades here, 3 trades here. I'm down $215 this week. This week I'm down $38, $15. This week I'm up $86. Now a lot of these trades, I will say, the first 8 months of the year, I didn't really have a real strategy. So you'll see that in my P&L, you'll see that in my consistency as well. So these first couple of trades, like you see, no strategy really here. Let's see what my notes say. Trading 3 contracts. Let's see, daily journal. See, I don't even have trade plan or anything down beginning of January. So it kind of just shows you how inconsistent I really was, how I wasn't really taking it seriously. So fast forward to the next month, a little bit of winners here. Got some notes with $32 on the week, $40 on the week, green $112. So let's see what this trade was. So this is my now go-to bread and butter strategy, but I will go through that towards the end. Trading 3 contracts here, paid $4 in fees. A little simple pre-market level pre-test, but again, I'll go through that a little bit over here. So that's February. March, inconsistent. I'm still losing $100. Have some green here, but some red, some losing trades. Like, this can't happen. A week where I make $61 and then I lose $134 the next week. That can't happen. Also, another thing that you can see is notice the number of trades I'm taking. It looks like all 2 trades, 3 trades a day. Now it's 1, maybe 2 a day. So fast forward to April, same thing. Still not seeing consistency. Still don't have a real strategy that I'm really trading. Losses are still decent sized losses. I mean, nothing crazy, but $80, $26, $218. What strategy did I trade here? I don't even have a strategy here. Let's see, do I have notes? Do have notes, little trade recap, but this is a Monday. So throughout the course of the year, something that I learned about the markets and about myself is that when your data shows you one thing, you have to stick with that. So meaning, I've noticed that over the first 5 months or so, when I trade on a Monday, it's a loser. So if I go to my TradeZilla, go to filters, day and time, day of the week, on a Monday, my stats show me that I have 29% win rate on a Monday. So what did I do? Stop trading on a Monday. So I think my last Monday traded was in July. So yeah, there's not a single Monday traded in July, or since July. So again, you kind of see the first half of the year, I'm starting to take some things out of my trading, not being so greedy, not wanting to force trades and things like that. So where I really start to turn around is, I want to say August-ish, where I start to really narrow down the strategy that I want to use. So this is the strategy that I do want to use. My pre-market high, pre-market low retest. Now I do have a video on that. If you guys go to my channel, I think it's titled "The Strategy Will Make Me Profitable in 2025 or 2026" or whatever the case is. So go ahead and check that video out. It'll break down my strategy top to bottom, and that's the strategy that I'm sticking with and that I've seen proven results with. So this trade here, I do have some pretty good notes on it. It is a trade that I would take 10 out of 10 times. You know, we have our gap here, our VWAP, pre-market high, retest. So, you know, this one's just a loser, but looking back, that's why it's always good to back test and review your trades. We're at a higher time frame area of resistance here. So, see the previous day, this is, I think this was today's price action. I think I screenshot this the day after, but got some resistance here, so naturally price will, you know, reject off of a higher time frame resistance. So there's that. Let's see, go back to my dashboard. I really started to get a lot more consistency, let's say around August, September or so. Still trading my pre-market retest. Now I'm taking two trades. Why? I don't know. Dumb stuff. Still trying to figure some things out. So October, I think, is really when I make the shift. So October, trade one day in October, $30, cool, whatever. November and the month break even, which is pretty good if you ask me. So week one, still taking my strategy. There's sometimes trades just don't work, so that's what these are. Little pre-market retest, a VWAP retest. That is my secondary strategy that I use as well. So pretty good one on SPY. See, yep, we got our gap, pre-market low retest. We get in, take it to lower day. That's the strat. So overall, guys, if you see my year, hold on, let me show you December real quick. November is break even. December, I stopped trading last Friday, so finished the month of December in green, $300. Price has been choppy the last 2-3 weeks of the year, so I will not be trading anymore. But as you can see, I really narrowed down what I want to trade and how I want to trade. So this is including all the stupid trades that I've taken, the trades that have no strategy behind it, the trades that are a different strategy, Fibonacci, supply and demand, really trying to figure out how I want to trade. So what I have figured out, and my results show that once I stick to one strategy, this P&L and this win percentage changes. So go to strategy. So I trade the pre-market retest, and I also trade the VWAP retest. So throughout the year, these two strategies have been my most profitable. As you can see, on the year I'm up $926 trading that strategy with a 55% win rate. You can see the consistency: 3 winners, 1 loser in March. April, both winners in April. May, 1 loser, or 1 winner, 1 loser. The loser is bigger than the winner. I definitely have changed that. In June, I had my biggest month, $650. My biggest day being almost $600. So pretty good strategy. Like I said, and you can see the results here. There is consistency behind it. August, 2 winners, 1 loser. September, I do remember this season. What was it? This is Q3. In the Q3, the strategy just didn't work, and sometimes that's how it is in the market. So that's that. October, I didn't trade at all this month. I traded this day in October, and then November again, we're break even, minus $10, $11, and then December I'm up $300. So yeah, so that's my year in review, guys. Like I said, a lot of learning, a lot of changes in my discipline, my patience, a lot of growth over the second half of the year. So looking into 2026. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Like I said, yeah, I'll be carrying this momentum into 2026. I'm looking forward to a great year, sticking with one strategy. Like I said, as we can see, I mean, the strategy has shown to be profitable. My win rate has increased, and I'm looking to increase that more as I will use more size. Hopefully, not contract size, my account size maybe between 5 to 10K or so within the next month or two. Start upping my size instead of using 2 contracts like I did this year. I'll up my size to maybe 3 or 4, but as I build consistency, as my profits grow, I will be increasing that slowly but surely. So again, guys, I'm just taking the slow road, but that's all I have for y'all today. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I look forward to 2026 where I will be dropping more videos, more trade recaps, and a lot more education as well. So appreciate you guys. Peace.